What the fuck, alright?
Make your cock hard.
It's all recording right now.
I know, man. Yeah, we're trying to do some love shit over here. Talking about cock. Oh, wow. Yeah, T-Rock and I
And DOS.
and DOS. Talking about
Dose.
Dose.
I never meant to make you sad, I never meant to make you cry. I still sit here every day and ask myself why. Why did I make you feel sad? Why did I treat you so bad? I'm sorry for everything that I ever done to you. Ever since then my clouds went from blue to gray. You were the one that always brought me up when I was feeling down. But karma's like a boomerang, best believe that shit came back around. I walk every day with a cloud over my head. I know I act like I didn't give a fuck, but if you see me now, you see that I changed. And now you left thinking every guy is the same. I'm a guy, we all make mistakes. I ain't perfect, and I never ever will be. This is for everyone who done wrong. Hope y'all feel me. If I only have one more chance, now I'm left thinking about you and thinking about all the bullshit that we've been through. Yeah, all the bullshit that we've been through. But I wanna hold you, I wanna kiss you, I wanna yell out, baby, I miss you. And I wonder if you do too, cause I sure do. Ain't no other girl like you. I wanna hold you, I wanna kiss you, I wanna yell out, baby, I miss you. And I wonder if you miss me too, cause I sure do. Ain't no other girl like you. Damn, love is like cancer, it takes over your life and it can kill you. But your mind plays with you, making the situation worse, feeling unhappy. Yeah, that's just the worst. I'm always rhymed by love, I must have been cursed. Cause girl, I really did change for the better. I felt my heart speeding, I feel my heart bleeding. Me and your past, I feel like we competing. I know I ain't perfect, and I never will be. But love was playing with my mind like a battlefield. But I'm at war, and by Cupid I just got killed. Yeah, I just got killed. But I'm stuck on you, like a junkie stuck on heroin. Thinking about you, so here we go again. Same shit, just a different day. I used to love making you laugh in every single way. I know I said I will always be here for you, well I still am. And I always will be standing here with a white rose. I'll always be here for you until the day that my gates close. Love is so confusing, I'm trying to follow the road signs. I wanna hold you real tight and sing you lullabies. I see you smiling every time I close my eyes. Yeah, every time I close my eyes. What's love? Nothing but a four-letter word. I must have been deaf, cause that I ain't never heard. I ain't never heard, but I still wanna. I wanna hold you, I wanna kiss you, I wanna yell out, baby, I miss you. And I wonder if you do too, cause I sure do. Ain't no other girl like you. I wanna hold you, I wanna kiss you, I wanna yell out, baby, I miss you. And I wonder if you miss me too, cause I sure do. Ain't no other girl like you.
Like I told you, I'ma hold you, never let you go. Yeah, that's my intro with my catchy flows. Yeah, damn, still wondering, still writing with my pencil, with my paper, never play a hate. Just can't get my mind straight off this love shit. Memories ingrained like a perfect play, setting stage into my brain like it was yesterday. How we used to hug, used to kiss and felt like it really meant to be, but it really never meant to be. Yeah, people, that's what we call destiny. Forgot what I was about to say that day, so I just shut my mouth, never mentioned our ways. I had a long list, I don't care no more. I threw the paper in the mist to cease to exist. In the valley of the 831 where we bust guns, where we look at night all stung, close to none. My gates are closing, I'm telling myself never let going, cause I don't feel no love from the people I expect from. But I'm still here, like I told you, I'ma hold you, never let you go. Yeah, that's my outro with my catchy flows, but I still wanna,
I wanna hold you, I wanna kiss you, I wanna yell out, baby, I miss you. And I wonder if you miss me too, cause baby I sure do. Ain't no other girl like you. I wanna hold you, I wanna kiss you, I wanna yell out, baby, I miss you. And I wonder if you do too, cause baby I sure do. Ain't no other girl like you.